Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Krusty and the crew back again with another vlog for you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this, man. Check it out, man. I got an interesting one in store for you all today, man. But before we get into that video, man, let the homie introduce himself.
What's up, everybody? It's Captain Planet 213 right here with my brother Brandon. Krusty Vlogs. We're here to review a little Greek food. It's gonna be delicious, I can already tell, because it looks nice and clean, and it looks like it looks good, man. Let's go try some. Look at those pictures of the food right there.
Check it out. I need y'all to go like, comment, subscribe, man. We are about to try something new, just like Planet said, man. We're gonna try some Greek food. You guys wanted that down in the comments, so we're gonna go ahead and review this Greek food. It's called Knight's Greek Mediterranean, or Knight's Restaurant, over here in Burbank, man, California. If you guys are out here, man, go show them some love. I'm excited to walk in there right now because, yeah, the food does look amazing, and you guys are amazing too. I'm excited to walk into this place. It looks really, really elegant, bro. I'm turned for this, bro. So it's one of those sit-down restaurants. I'm really, really excited to try this food. Nice, they got the menu ready to go. Never tried Greek food, y'all, so let me know down in the comments if there's anything you guys would like us to try for next time. Or, you know, just, I mean, you obviously can't see this, but I'm excited to eat this. So like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna look through this menu. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. The restaurant is really elegant, so let's keep it going, man.
Everything looks like it's gonna be delicious. It looks genuine. I've never actually been into a Greek restaurant myself. Look, guys, I'm wearing my Cyclops. Hoodie, which Cyclops is a Greek mythology monster. I got Greek coffee, and it's served in this cute little mug. Nice and hot. Tastes like some strong coffee. I feel good.
We got myself some Greek water. Nah, I'm playing. No, I got myself Aris Greek lager.
Greek water too.
Greek lager beer. You feel me? You know, I don't really drink beer, but you know, today we're changing it up. We're changing up the content. 21 and up, y'all, for you guys. So cheers. Oh no, that's fire. That's some good ass beer. I don't drink beer, but I know the taste of some good beer. This right here, because I don't have an ugly face right now when I'm drinking beer, you feel me? This right here, this is special right here. One more. Cheers. I might be drunk before I get my food. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go traditionally, you know. We're gonna use the cucumber, get the chicken, you know, without having to use the fork. Ooh, that hurt my mouth of how good it was. But I need to take another bite. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, let's try this, guys. Let's dig into it. It's got some delicious barbecue chicken in here, and some hummus. I've never tried hummus like that. Delicious. Sauce is on point. I want more now. Sorry, brother, you're gonna have to order your own now. You got a chicken
gyros
sandwich.
That's what it looks like, chicken gyros.
With some French fries in there. Very soft, delicious, warm. It's just one of those places that you just don't know what they have until you actually walk in and order off their menu. It's just something you just gotta try.
I got me lasagna, you feel me, and they put some rice under it. It looks like they put a good amount of spices.
What kind of lasagna? Greek lasagna.
Greek lasagna, yes. Not just a regular lasagna, Greek lasagna. You know, they got the grilled onions on top. That's my favorite part, the grilled onions. But let's try it. That's a different texture than a regular lasagna that an average American would make. Honestly, it kind of tastes better. Honestly, the cheese is like way more richer than like your regular lasagna that you go buy and get cheese from Walmart. You feel me? This honestly is really, really good. Honestly, there has been no food that has failed me yet so far. So this is amazing. I can't wait to give you guys the review, man. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and finish eating. So I need y'all to go like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Not only that, bro, we're here, man, trying Greek food for you guys. And, you know, we basically just traveled to Greece for a little bit, you know? So like, comment, subscribe, man. Cheers to you guys.
Yeah, we just finished eating our food. I had a good time. The music is really cool. It makes me feel like I'm in Greek. I would probably, you know, turn down a hamburger to eat a Greek Euro anytime. The chicken was nice and soft, grilled. Everything was delicious. It's a brand new taste for my mouth. I'll come back again. I think I would give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. You know, I think we had a good time. The people here are really nice.
My turn, obviously, to rate it. Let me take a sip of the Greek water real quick. So the restaurant itself is beautiful. It's giving me Greek vibes, you know. It's not giving me no other country vibes. Like it gives me that old school Greek side of things, and that's one thing that I don't get to see all the time. And I like Greek. I like the Greece tradition, you feel me? I've had a gyro before back in the day, if you guys had watched my videos, but I really enjoy the food, and the lasagna was really, really good. It was different cheese, you feel me? Different taste. It was richer. You know, for my rating, bro, I'm gonna hit it with I'm going with the same 9 out of 10. You know, it's the love that they're showing, right? They're a family. They brought me in right now, like almost like a family. They've been talking to us personally, so it's like it's more than just the food here. You feel me? I love that. They treat their customers with respect. Definitely customer service, 1,000,000 out of 10. That's always a W. I really enjoyed this food. So you know, just another cheers because we got Alexander the Great.
The cucumbers.
So I just want to say thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
God bless
It was
you
great to
guys.
meet you guys. It was great to meet you. Thank you for the food. You're amazing. Keep doing what you're doing.
All right.
But yeah, thank you guys so much. You guys have a great night. I just want to say thank you, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Come show them some love. Subscribe. Burbank, for real, man. Come on. Appreciate it. You guys have a great night. Check it out. This is it, man. We are leaving Knight's Restaurant, Greek Mediterranean. It's so hard to say that word. I'm glad I said it. But hey, like, comment, subscribe, man. I love you guys so much. This food was amazing. Like I said, 9 out of 10. It definitely goes up in the 4 to 5 star range. You guys gotta go show some love here. It's downtown Burbank. It's across the Fantasia. If y'all don't know what that is, man, but I love you guys so much, man. Let's go ahead and see what Planet's gotta say before we end this video.
I think I'd come here anytime instead of going to any other like corporate chain, restaurant, Yard House, or anything like that. I would come here and get some fresh chicken, fresh kebabs, fresh salads, and support this family right here. They're a family-owned restaurant. They're very nice. They were really nice to us. The customers were very happy in there. They were all enjoying their food, and it just goes to show, when a restaurant has something good to offer, you can't lose. Come here to Burbank, downtown Burbank, and support this place.
We're gonna see y'all next time, man. Like, comment, subscribe. This food was amazing. That was our first time trying Greek food. Actually really trying Greek food, you feel me? I enjoyed it so much. Different flavors, different seasoning. It ain't nothing like Indian or Filipino or Indonesian food, you feel me? This is a whole different culture. So let me know what you guys want us to try next down in the comments, you feel me? Not only that, go show some love to all my series, man, my reaction videos, vlogs, everything that we got going up, man. I love you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, man. From your boy Planet and the whole entire world and America and your boy Krusty Vlogs. Ah.